I want to talk to you today about limiting factors. This is one of the most important things to understand about growing plants. Now, plants need many factors, and this is not all of them. Light, water, nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon dioxide, many other things. What this is a barrel here. So pretend this is a barrel. Each one of these little pieces of wood, they're called a stave, S-T-A-V-E. And so each one of these staves represents something the plants need. Now, how full can you fill this barrel? To the top. Now, if your plants are lacking in certain nutrients, for example, nitrogen and phosphorus are here, how full can you fill this barrel? Only to the lowest point, nitrogen. Nitrogen is the limiting factor. Now, if you want your plants to grow, maybe you're going to spend more money, you're going to get a light, and you're going to add more light. How full can you fill this barrel? Still to here. So adding more light, watering your plants more, that is not going to increase your rate of growth. You have to know what the most limiting factor is. If you want to increase plant growth, add nitrogen. Now, phosphorus is a limiting factor. So if you want to yet increase your plant growth even more, add phosphorus. So what you have to realize that just giving plants more of what they need, like a bigger light or more fertilizer, is not always going to give you better growth. You have to know what the limiting factor is, whether it's container size, nitrogen, light, carbon dioxide, whatever that is. So understanding that you can't just give plants more of something to get better growth, you have to increase what is limiting their growth. The lowest factor, it determines the maximum rate of growth. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please send me an email at askthedoctor@htgspy.com.